जनीवा में गडियल क़ौमुनि जे इदारे अॻियां वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस जो एहतजाज। सिंध में इंसानी हक़नि जी भंजकड़ियुनि ख़िलाफ़ फौरी कार्रवाई जो मुतालबो। वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस पारां गुज़िरियल ॾींहुं वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस जनीवा में गडियल क़ौमुनि जे इंसानी हक़नि वारी काउंसिल जे 60 साला इजलास दौरान हिकु शानदार मुज़ाहिरो कयो, जंहिंमें सिंध में थींदड़ इंसानी हक़नि जी भंजकड़ियुनि ॾांहुं आलमी ध्यानु छिकरायो वियो। एहतजाज में जबरी गुमशुदगियुनि, ज़मीनुनि ते गैर क़ानूनी कब्ज़े ऐं सिंधु दरिया ते नवनि वाहन जी अॾावत सबबि थींदड़ माहौलियाती तबाही खे उजागर कयो वियो।
Our land, our land, our resources, our missing persons, land, all missing persons, all missing persons.
एहतजाज में सिंध, बलोचिस्तान, बांग्लादेश ऐं यूरोप जे मुख़्तलिफ़ मुल्कनि मां सियासी अॻुवाननि ऐं इंसानी हक़नि जे कारकुननि वॾे अंग में शिरकत कई। मुज़ाहिरे खे डॉक्टर लखू लोहाणो, चेयरमैन वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस, बलोच अॻुवान हुसैन दोस्त ऐं ख़ालिदुर रहमान मामून, बांग्लादेशी इंसानी हक़नि जे कारकुन आरिफ अजाकिया, डॉक्टर हिदायत भुट्टो, ऑर्गेनाइज़र वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस बरतानिया ऐं यूरोप, मिस आना केरी, UNPO, इंसानी हक़नि जो कारकुन कामरान जतोई, मिस फ़हमीदा बलोच ऐं ॿियनि ख़िताब कयो। सभिनी मुक़ररनि पाकिस्तान जे तरफ़ां बुनियादी इंसानी हक़नि जी भंजकड़ियुनि जी सख़्त मज़म्मत कई ऐं ज़ोर ॾिनो त सिंध ऐं बलूचिस्तान में सियासी कारकुननि जूं जबरी गुमशुदगियूं, गैर अदालती क़त्ल ऐं अग़वा रोज़मर्रा जो मामूल बणिजी विया आहिनि। मज़हबी अक़लियतुनि खे जबरी मज़हब तब्दीलियुनि ऐं मुल्क दरबदरी खे मुंहुं ॾियणो पवे थो। सिंधु दरिया ते नवनि वाहन जी अॾावत माहौल जी तबाही ऐं ज़रख़ेज़ ज़मीनूं तबाह करे रही आहे ऐं इंडस डेल्टा जी बका खे ख़तरे में विझी रही आहे। फ़ौजी सरपरस्ती हेठि ज़मीनुनि ते कब्ज़ा ऐं कारपोरेट फार्मिंग स्कीमूं ॻोठाणनि खे बेदख़ल करे रहियूं आहिनि ऐं सिंधी माण्हुनि खे रोज़गार खां महरूम करे रहियूं आहिनि। ॻाल्हाईंदड़नि मोरो वाक़े जी बि सख़्त मज़म्मत कई ऐं इन खे रियासती दहशतगर्दी ऐं सिंधी माण्हुनि जे बुनियादी हक़नि जी वाज़ह भंजकड़ी करार ॾिनो।
World Sindhi Congress is here today with a really heavy heart, with a SOS call for the international community. Can you see? They want to take everything that has made us a nation, a civilization for thousands of years. Our water, our land, our resources, our gas, our oil, our coal, our minerals. And then, last but not the least, they take away the people who raise the voices against these atrocities. They kill the people who raise the voice against these atrocities. They have adopted the method that is resulting in killing of hundreds and thousands of people. Since the population of 60 million has got more population than 108 countries in the world. So it's a big country, not small. Unlike Pakistan, which has been artificially created only 77 years ago, Sindh has been for thousands of years. And they literally, slowly and gradually, they are poisoning Sindhi people through waters, through diseases, through malnutrition. A systematic genocide is taking place. And we are here today to request, to beg to the international community, because there is only one government, and that is army. And army doesn't understand the reason, the logic, the humanity. So we request the international community to save Sindhi people. I'm grateful to my Baloch friends with whom we stand in solidarity, because our issues are same, our perpetrator is same, our destiny is same. So let me work. As long as we are here, they want to kill us. They have decided. They want to eliminate Sindhi people. They want to eliminate Baloch people. This is the struggle worth to live for and worth to die for. Let me work for dignity, for peace and freedom of our people. And we believe this artificial state couldn't go on forever. That day will come when the sun will rise on our nations of freedom, dignity and peace. Long live Sindh, long live Balochistan, and thank you very much. That Pakistan is committing heinous crimes against our people. There are thousands of missing persons in Sindh as well as in Balochistan, and there is atrocity like forced conversion. Forced conversion is happening in Sindh under the supervision of the state of Pakistan, under the supervision of Pakistan Army and their proxies. Pakistani Army is supervising these fanatics who are committing crimes against the Sindhi people. Not only that, they are building dams and canals to genocide our nation. Our nations are at stake. Our data is destroyed. Our cultural Indus River is at stake. And this is committed by Pakistani Army. And they are grabbing our land. They are enforcing those people who raise their voices, such as in Lagari, Bijarani village. There is at least 53 people from that. Only one village is disappeared still now. And there is huge blockage of that village by Pakistani Army and their proxies. They are committing heinous crimes. Innocent protesters such as Zaid Lagari and Irfan Lagari, they were peacefully protesting against this illegal construction of the canals on the Indus River. They openly fired and killed these innocent people. These crimes are committed by Pakistani Army and their proxies against our Sindhi nation, our people, and our we want to tell international community that Sindhi lives better. To listen to us, that we are historical nation and our right to self-determination is our basic right, and start supporting Pakistan and start supporting Sindhi people, Baloch people to get their rightful right of freedom. Thank you.
Stop grabbing
Our land,
Stop grabbing
our land,
Stop grabbing
our resources,
Please, please,
our missing persons,
please, please.
all missing persons.
I will try to summarize and have a few words.
Comrades, brothers, sisters, and defender of human rights, I stand before you bearing the voice of Boro, a little town of Sindh, a voice soaked in blood but unbroken in spirit. Only weeks ago, protesters stood with empty hands and full hearts. They asked for the water for their fields, dignity for their people, and justice for their homeland. And what did they receive? Bullets, tear, and death. Zahid Lagari and Irfan Lagari, two sons of Sindh, were murdered for daring to speak the truth. Their only crime was defending the river Indus, the lifeline of land, against those against Punjab who would steal it for profit. This is not just a Sindhi tragedy. This is a human tragedy. The right to life, the right to water, the right to land, the right to protest, these are not privileges. They are basic human rights. And in Moro, those rights were pressed under boots and buttons. We are in Geneva, the home of human rights. And I say to the world, the silence must end. The repression must end. Moro and Singh not be forgotten. To the United Nations, to the Human Rights Council, to every NGO, to every activist, raise your voice. Demand an independent investigation. Demand justice for the dead. Demand dignity for the living. And to all of you here today, remember, when farmers in Sindh lose their water, when protesters are silenced with bullets, it is not only Sindh that suffers, it is the humanity that suffers. Because human rights are one, and when one people believes, we all believe. I bring you the courage of the mother of Moro, who pray their sons yet still cry for the justice. I bring you the fire of Sindhi youth, who refuse to bow down, and I bring you the promise that we will not stop until our life, land, water and freedom are saved.
Very establishment. For decades, the struggle of over 60 million Sydney people have been silenced, their rights ignored, and their dignity trampled upon. Today, we stand together to call for justice, international solidarity, and the full exercise of the right to self-determination, a right guaranteed to all people under international law. The land, water, oil, gas, coal, and culture of Sindh are being exploited without regard for the people who live here. These actions are not only unjust, they are a violation of the principles enshrined in the Charter of the United Nations and the Truth Government. The law condemns the exploitation of Sindh's newly discovered oil reserves. What Islamabad calls an economic trump is in fact a project of dispossession through extraction, backed by foreign alliances with Turkey and the United States. This strips peoples of their lives, silence their voices, and fuels instability in an already volatile region. Sindh must not be turned into a resource frontier where outsiders profit while its people pay the price. The rights of Sindh people are at stake. Their livelihood, their cultural heritage, and their environment are in danger from projects imposed without free, prior, and informed consent. That these exploited venues militarize the region, destabilize relations between two nuclear-armed states, and endanger the fragile balance of regional security. Moreover, this reckless expansion contributes to exploitation, flies in the face of global climate competition. It is already on the front line of climate change. The devastating floods that swept through this land are a stark reminder of its vulnerability. To now burden these communities with further environmental destruction is not just irresponsible, it is an act that threatens all communities striving for a sustainable future. UNPO stands firmly alongside Sindh. We reaffirm the inalienable right of Sindh people to self-determination, to the protection of their environment, and to social justice. We call upon the international community to stand with Sindh, to speak out against exploitation, and to ensure that the voices of Sindhi people are heard and respected. Will we allow Sindh to become another Ogoni exploited like in Nigeria by Shell? Let's make it clear. The future of Sindh belongs to its people, not to the military establishment, not to foreign corporations, and not to those who seek to profit from its suffering. Sindh's struggle is a part of the global struggle for human rights, justice, and dignity. Together, we will stand until justice is done. Thank you. जारी आहे जारी रहंदी
जंग असांजी जारी रहंदी
जैसी रात अंधारी रहंदी
जंग असांजी जारी रहंदी
जारी आहे जारी रहंदी
जंग असांजी जारी रहंदी जिए 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 सिंध
Leave our resource. Leave our land. Leave our
लैंड
Leave our
रिसोर्सेज
Pakistan. Leave our
लैंड
Pakistan. Leave our
रिसोर्सेज
Pakistan. Leave our
लैंड
Pakistan. Leave our
Resources.
Pakistan. Leave our
लैंड
Stop grabbing our land. Stop grabbing
Our land.
Stop grabbing
Our land.
Stop grabbing
our land
No more Kenason.
Indus River
No more Kenason.
Indus River
My friends, thank you so much. All of you are here. We are protesting today about our freedom of speech, about our rights, our basic rights in front of United Nations. And it's been long time. It's been 75 years. We are just struggling. We are asking about our freedom of speech, our freedom of expression. Pakistan state is an ugly state. Pakistan state is a terrorist state. It's a hub of terrorists nowadays. They are taking our lands. They are taking our resources. They are disappearing our people. It's been long time. We are here to protesting. It's been long time. We are raising our voice. So we need our freedom of speech. We need our lands. We need our water. We need our innocent people. They're taking away from our lands. They disappeared. We want everything back. We are very, very clear. We are not part of Pakistan. We are not a part of this state. We are not a part of this terrorism. We are Sindhu Desh. We are peaceful people. जब पाकिस्तान नहीं था तो सिंध थी, जब पाकिस्तान और सिंध हुई, जब कुछ नहीं था तब सिंध था। हम पीसफुल लोग हैं, हम अपनी जमीनें, अपने रिसोर्सेज वापस चाहते हैं। नारे 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 सिंध,
जिए 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 सिंध
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 नारे 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 सिंध।
जिए 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 सिंध
सभिनि खां वॾो मसइलो enforced disappearance, religious minorities जो आहे। सिरिया कुमारी 2021 में उनखे खयो वियो, disappear कयो वियो। 25 एक्शन हाणे हू 7 सालनि जी थी आहे, पर हुनजो अञा ताईं सिंध में को पतो न आहे। मां सवाल कयां थी, छा एजेंसियुनि जा ॿार तव्हां कॾहिं खणंदे ॾिठा आहिनि? छा जनरल कर्नल जा ॿार कॾहिं डिसअपियरेंस में तव्हां ॾिठा आहिनि? न थिया आहिनि। सिर्फ़ सिंध में सिंधी माइनॉरिटीज़ जा ॿार, सिंधी छोकिरियूं खॼनि थियूं। ख़ुदारा बंदि कयो ही ड्रामो। विझो उन ॾींहं खां जॾहिं सिंधी हिकु थी ऐं तव्हांजे गिरेबनि मां वठी करे सिंध मां तव्हांखे कढींदा। सिंध में 100% जेको वायलेशन, ह्यूमन राइट्स जो वायलेशन आहे, उन में ICI ऐं ह्यूमन राइट्स पाकिस्तान जी जेकी पाकिस्तान जूं एजेंसियूं आहिनि, इहो सॼो सिंध में वायलेशन जो ज़िम्मेदार आहिनि। असां इन्हनि खे ज़िम्मेदार सम्झूं था। सिंध में जेतिरो डिसअपियरेंस केसेस आहिनि, जेतिरो वायलेशन आहे, उन में सभु पाकिस्तान जूं एजेंसियूं शामिल आहिनि। अॼु असां हिते उन्हनि खे ॿुधाइण चाहियूं था, असां डिॼूं नथा तव्हांजी धमकियुनि खां, असां डिॼूं नथा तव्हांजे हथियारनि खां। तव्हां डिॼो उन ॾींहं खां जॾहिं
हिकिड़ो सिंधी तव्हांजे गिरेबनि खां पकड़े तव्हांजे सिंध मां ॿाहिरि उछिकाईंदो। दोस्तो
जिए सिंध, जिए सिंध, जिए सिंध।
These atrocities in Sindh. Stop these human rights violations in Sindh, and stop funding Pakistan because they are using their fundings to kill our own people and grabbing our lands. We are very, very clear. We are not part of this terrorism.
Pakistan न खपे, पाकिस्तान न खपे।
एहतजाज में गॾियल क़ौमुनि ऐं आलमी बिरादरी खां मुतालबो कयो वियो त जबरी गुमशुदगियूं, गैर अदालती क़तल ऐं बेबुनियाद गिरफ़्तारियूं फौरी तौरु ख़तमु कयूं वञनि ऐं ज़िम्मेवारनि खे आलमी क़ानून तहत सज़ा ॾिनी वञे। मज़हबी अक़लियतुनि खे ज़ुल्म ऐं दरबदरीअ खे रोकिजे ऐं मुतासिरनि खे इंसाफ़ ॾिनो वञे। ॻाल्हाईंदड़नि गॾियल क़ौमुनि खां मुतालबो कयो त हिकु हक़ीक़त ॻोल्हींदड़ मिशन जोड़े इन्हनि ॾोहनि जी जाच करे ऐं सिंधी माण्हुनि जे तहफ़ुज़ लाइ फौरी ऐं असराइतो क़दम खंयो वञे। वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस ॿीहर पंहिंजे अज़म खे वरजायो आहे त उहा आलमी सतह ते आगाही वधाइण ऐं सिंधी माण्हुनि जे हक़नि, जमहूरियत ऐं इंसाफ़ लाइ जदोजहद जारी रखंदी।
जंग असांजी जारी रहंदी, जंग असांजी जारी